Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme has been a game-changer scheme. Now beneficiaries of Manrega are getting money directly into their bank accounts, which are linked to Aadhaar, enabling direct benefit transfer. More in this report.
In the last 2 years, the government has tried to keep pace with the sustainable development of villages in the country. An important initiative was made to provide employment in villages. The government launched new schemes for rural development and spent money allotted for earlier schemes in a transparent manner so that it reaches the right beneficiaries. The budget allocation for MGNREGA was enhanced to 38,500 crore rupees, which was the highest amount allotted for the scheme so far. MGNREGA was linked to several new schemes, including rural infrastructure. Especially in view of the ongoing drought in the country for the last 2 years, the government linked it to irrigation projects in villages. Under the scheme, digging of 5 lakh wells was planned to realize a dream to irrigate each and every farm. 10 lakh compost pits were being set up under the scheme in order to reduce the cost of cultivation. Prime Minister Rural Housing Scheme also linked to MGNREGA to benefit artisans of the village. To check leakages and to ensure the subsidy reaches to the right beneficiary, the government implemented the Direct Benefit Transfer Scheme. For the first time, the amount of more than 90,000 crore rupees was transferred directly into people's bank accounts. The government saved 14,672 crore rupees under the world's largest LPG subsidy scheme in the year 2014-15. Wages under MGNREGA are directly transferred to workers, and the government saved 3,000 crore rupees in 2015-16. The combination of Aadhaar and mobile has changed the mechanism of subsidy delivery system in the country. For instance, 6 lakh fake beneficiaries of kerosene oil were detected and removed in Haryana alone. Over 1.62 crore bogus ration card holders were removed in the country, and the treasure saved was over 10,000 crore rupees. DBT also applied in the case of pensions, and 1.5 million fake names were deleted. In Kerala, the scam of 600 crore fake teachers' posts came to light due to DBT. The country saved 29,000 crore rupees while removing fake beneficiaries. At present, subsidy is being provided directly into the accounts of beneficiaries in 59 schemes. Over 31 crore people have been given subsidy of 61,822 crore rupees so far. It's believed that it's reaching the right beneficiaries. The effort of the government is to ensure development in villages so as to realize a dream. Gram Uday se Bharat Uday. Manjeet Thakur's report, DD News.
In the past 2 years, the union government has taken many important initiatives to improve the health condition of